Hi guys, so today's video is about making hot drinks that you would like for winter. Initially I wasn't gonna add the chocolate aspect, but then I was like, everybody likes chocolate, and hot chocolate is the only chocolate drink that I actually drink. So I thought, why not? And yesterday when I made it, I kind of put an Instagram poll, and I thought like, okay, let's see if people wanna watch it. And quite a few people said that, yeah, make a video showing how to make it. So here it is. For the hot chocolate, we're gonna need a mug, milk, cocoa powder, sugar, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. Start off by putting sugar into the mug. Then proceed to add the cocoa powder. Now, usually, according to the recipe, you're supposed to add unsweetened cocoa powder, but since this one is the Cadbury one and I love it, I just go ahead and put that one. Usually, you can go for putting double the amount of cocoa powder as compared to sugar. So, if it's 1 spoon of sugar, make sure you add 2 of cocoa powder. Mix these thoroughly and make sure there are no lumps or that the cocoa powder is not lumpy even before you add milk. Now add milk and stir well so as to make sure that there are no lumps formed now after adding the milk. You can top this off with whipped cream. And just for decoration or because you want like extra cocoa, you can go ahead and sprinkle that. For this one, the ingredients are just slightly different from the previous one. So now you need a mug, milk, cocoa powder, sugar, coffee powder, and marshmallows. Start off by adding sugar and coffee powder according to your requirements. This is basically the same as making coffee as we start. Mix these two a little and just add a few drops of water, and then mix these ingredients to make like a paste sort of consistency. So now initially while you're mixing, the color is going to be dark brown. But as you continue mixing, it should get lighter. So this you can do according to your taste if you want your final output to look a little darker or lighter. Once this is a decent enough paste and you're satisfied with the color, go ahead and add some milk, but do not fill it complete. Now go ahead and add the cocoa powder as you please, although I would say you can go for 2 spoons. Now mix it a little and add more milk and fill it to the top of the mug. And now mix it all together so as to make sure that it's smooth and doesn't have any lumps. You can top this off with marshmallows or even whipped cream, whichever one you prefer. For the last one, you're going to need a mug, milk, cocoa powder, caramel syrup, sugar, vanilla extract, and whipped cream. We start off by adding sugar in the mug as usual. Now, once we add the cocoa powder, we're going to proceed to add some caramel syrup and try mixing this. It should be a sort of thick paste while you do it. Go ahead and add the hot milk. When you add the hot milk, make sure you quickly mix them together so there's no residue at the bottom, and this mixes well with the milk. You can top this off with whipped cream. Pour some syrup on top of this whipped cream. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Do subscribe because it really does help. And I know I haven't really fixed the background noise, but then this video really didn't have much of me speaking to you directly in the camera per se. So I hope it's fine. Yeah, thank you.